Hi, this is the AutoAdviser channel. In this video, you will learn how to keep your car engine in good condition. Ever wondered how to keep your car engine running smoothly? Just as the heart is crucial to human life, the engine is the lifeblood of your vehicle. This mechanical marvel, with its intricate dance of valves, pistons, and gears, deserves the utmost care and attention. After all, a well-maintained engine means a healthy, reliable car. A poorly maintained one, well, that's a different story. So buckle up and get ready. Today you'll discover a step-by-step guide on maintaining your car engine. First things first, understand your engine. It's a marvel of mechanical engineering, transforming fuel into the force that propels your car. The heart of this process is the internal combustion engine. Here, a blend of air and fuel ignites, creating a mini explosion that pushes a piston. This movement is transferred to the wheels, setting your vehicle in motion. It's crucial to remember that while engines range from the simple to the complex, the principles remain the same. They all need air, fuel, and spark to function, and they all require essential care to run efficiently. The engine, like any machine, needs regular maintenance, clean fuel, and adequate lubrication. A bit of knowledge goes a long way in helping you identify potential issues before they escalate. So remember, while the intricacies of your engine might seem daunting, you don't have to be a mechanic to keep your engine running smoothly. The first step in maintenance, regular oil changes. Now you might ask, why are they so crucial? Well, think of oil as the lifeblood of your engine. It's not just slippery stuff that makes parts glide smoothly. It's a vital component that cools, cleans, seals, and lubricates. Every time you rev up your engine, tiny explosions occur inside the cylinders. These generate heat and soot, which can lead to wear and tear. That's where oil comes in. It forms a protective barrier between the moving parts, reducing friction and preventing damage. Over time, though, oil breaks down and becomes less effective. Hence the need for regular oil changes. So, how often should you change your oil? Well, that depends on your car's make, model, and the type of oil you use. But a good rule of thumb is every 3 to 6 months or every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. Remember, fresh oil equals a happy engine. Next up, air and fuel filters. These unsung heroes of your engine play a crucial role in its performance and longevity. Think of your engine as an athlete. The cleaner the air it breathes, the better it performs. The air filter ensures that the air entering your engine is free from dust and debris. Meanwhile, the fuel filter does a similar job, but for your fuel. It keeps out the grit and grime that can clog your engine. Now, how can you maintain these filters? It's quite simple. Regularly check your air filter and replace it if it looks dirty or clogged. As for the fuel filter, it's a bit more durable but should ideally be replaced every 2 years or so. Remember, a dirty filter can choke your engine, reducing its efficiency and potentially causing damage. So take the time to check and replace your filters. Clean filters ensure your engine breathes and performs better. Heat is an engine's enemy. It's a relentless adversary that can cause wear and tear, reducing the lifespan of your engine. Let's delve into the engine cooling system, the unsung hero of your car's longevity. This system, comprising the radiator, thermostat, water pump, and coolant, plays a vital role in maintaining the engine's temperature. The coolant absorbs heat from the engine and is then cooled down by the radiator, creating a continuous loop of heat dissipation. Maintaining the right coolant levels is paramount. Too little coolant and your engine could overheat, leading to disastrous consequences. Overheating can warp engine components, cause head gasket failure, and even seize up the entire engine. Remember, the coolant isn't just about keeping things cool, it also prevents corrosion and lubricates the water pump. So, be sure to check your coolant levels regularly and use the right type for your car. After all, a cool engine is a smoothly running engine. Last but not least, regular inspections and tune-ups. It's like going to the dentist for a routine checkup. Only this time, it's your car that's in the spotlight. Regular inspections are crucial to keeping your engine in tip-top shape. They allow you to spot minor issues before they turn into costly repairs. Tune-ups, on the other hand, are like the cherry on top. Not only do they keep your engine running smoothly, but they also optimize its performance. It's about fine-tuning your engine, adjusting what needs to be adjusted, replacing what needs to be replaced. This could be anything from spark plugs to fuel filters, from timing belts to air filters. Each component plays a vital role in the overall health of your engine. In the long run, investing in regular inspections and tune-ups is a wise move. It's not just about saving money, it's about ensuring your car is reliable when you need it most. Remember, preventive maintenance saves you time, money, and potential headaches. To sum up, maintaining your car engine isn't rocket science. It's all about understanding the heart of your vehicle, the engine, and knowing how to keep it in top condition. Let's take a trip down memory lane and revisit the key points we've covered. Firstly, understanding your engine is crucial. Knowing its components and how they interact allows you to identify potential issues before they escalate. Next, we talked about the importance of regular oil changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, reducing friction and preventing overheating. Changing it regularly keeps your engine running smoothly and prolongs its lifespan. Moving on, we discussed the role of clean filters in enhancing performance. Filters prevent harmful particles from entering the engine, and a clean filter means better airflow and improved combustion. We also touched on the significance of maintaining coolant levels. An engine that runs too hot risks serious damage. Keeping an eye on your coolant levels and ensuring the radiator and hoses are in good condition can save you from a breakdown. Lastly, we emphasized the need for regular inspections and tune-ups. Routine checks allow you to catch and rectify minor issues before they become major headaches. With these steps, you'll keep your engine running smoothly and extend the life of your car. Remember, a well-maintained engine leads to a reliable ride.